Do you own a cleaning business but are not getting leads online? If you are missing on Google, you are missing on leads. Over 80% of customers search online before hiring a cleaning service. Without SEO, your cleaning business gets buried. Digital Guider's cleaning SEO services are tailored for companies like yours. How? We optimize your cleaning website. From improving your Google business profile, local citations, to keywords targeting, and boost local rankings. We drive leads.
We handle the SEO while you focus on the cleaning.
Our clients have seen up to 300% more leads in 90 days. We bring you more traffic, more calls, and long-term growth. Get found. Get booked. Grow your cleaning business with Digital Guider. Book your free SEO audit today.